Assalamu alaikum dear students. Dear students, in this video I will tell you about learning management system LMS or management information system MIS. Okay, so first of all we need to understand that as I told you that I have shared username and passwords of students at the student official email account. Okay, so how you can take access in the system and the LMS, how you will log in. So first of all you need to open your browser. In the browser you need to type your outlook.office.com. okay, here you need to enter your official email account. For example, there is one student 8578, this is the registration number of the student, at the rate of srams.sch.ae. in the system you need to enter your registration number at the rate symbol, then srams.sch.ae, then hit to next, then put your password. This is the same password that you are using for Microsoft Teams. Okay, so in my case I have entered the password. Then do you want to sign in? Yes, I want to sign in. Yes, this is your official email ID. Inside your email box you need to click inbox. In the inbox you need to scroll down, there are list of emails. So this one is the email. So if you are not able to see the email, you can type info@srams.sch.ae. okay, then hit enter. You need to open this attachment. In the attachment this is complete information that how you will use the LMS and how with the help of Android application you can use this one. If you are an iPhone user, then you can use this one. So here as you can see, this is the username of your LMS and this is the password of your LMS. You can right click here, open in new link, in new tab here, then put your username. The username is 8578, then 8A7E in the password, 8A7E 1A141. So you need to click on login. When you are logged in, you need to enter your current password. The current password is this one. Okay, you can use this one, this one. Use your current password, then you can type your current password. So I want to change my current password, but here as you can see at least 6 characters in your password. This is the requirement of the system. Then save password, continue. So right now this student is logged in with in the system. So there are some announcements in the form of notifications. Those will be popped up that student username and password is shared, and the other announcement is regarding to school measures for COVID-19 and some regarding to registration opening. Close this one. So here is your timetable, current day timetable. With the help of LMS you can use messages service, tutoring system, calendar, attendance, sections, student marks, your marks. Okay, then assignments, assessments, behavior, and these are the notifications here. Okay, so there is help option in your LMS. You need to click here, and the help option, there are some videos. Assignment from student portal, as homework student portal, message from parent portal, navigate between siblings. Okay, sections. So I want to check this one, assignments from student portal. So how student portal will work with regarding to assignments, you can use this video. You have to watch this video. After this you will understand. So if you will click here, so it will show you some assignments. As you can see, these are the assignments. If you will click here, sections, this is your timetable. These are some lesson plans, resources. When you click here at sections, in the sections you can find out your weekly timetable. So today is Tuesday, so this is the timetable of today for this student. Okay, so this is the information regarding to your learning management system. If you are facing any sort of issue in the login, you can ask me. But there is one more thing. If you don't know the password of your Microsoft Teams, so you can contact with your class teacher, so class teacher will provide you. Okay, thank you so much, students.